Hey friends, if PowerShell keeps on popping up in Windows 11 randomly, then there can be two main causes behind it. The first one is malware, and the second one is a third party program triggering it again and again. So here's what you will do: search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on MRT, which is the malware removal tool. It needs a few seconds to open, so we will have to wait. Then click on Next, full scan, Next, and let it run through. If this fixes, well and good. If not, then straight away search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and go to System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft Services. If any other service is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. This will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.